For us, the markets do not open at 9:30 and close at 4. To the contrary, they open at 6 p.m. They open at 6 p.m. They close at 4:15 and they reopen at 6. You see, we trade futures with the banks. It's what the banks trade. They don't leave themselves any opportunity for someone else to gap them up or gap them down in the morning. If you're tired of that game, you know, when something closes, you know, 10 points higher the day before to open 10 points lower the next morning, what kind of crap is that all about, right? Or in the entire market. You're looking at what we call the swing machine. The swing machine. It's trading right now. The YM, the Dow, the Russell, the S&Ps, the NASDAQ. We trade at 1, 3, and 5 minute levels. Why? Because we can. Secondly, futures are leveraged. Nothing to be afraid of. They trade the same way as a stock or as any other instrument. They are leveraged though. The charting is the same. At least it's the same for us. And we trade in and out, out and in. We're agnostic to the overall direction, with the overall, tenor of the market, because the swing machine will tell us on the time frame that we're looking at when to get in and when to get out. Now let me show you. The YM on a 1 minute went short 47 minutes ago. The time right now is 8:19. So this went short at 7:34 p.m. tonight, December 13th. It's up $765. The Russell went short at 7:34. One contract is up 440. The S&P 735. It's up 775. The NQ short at 735. It's up 920 real time. They may go higher. They may indicate, and we'll get indication over here as it just started to flash, that maybe we want to take some of our profit. I'm Bagger Don at StockMarketCaddy.com. This is not a game for us. These are not moving averages. We're not, rodeo clowns, hitting horns and barking out this and barking out that, talking about time to get diversified, all that nonsense. We're not showing you chart after chart after chart, drawing trend lines and this average and that average and stochastics and MACDs and showing you all the crap that doesn't work. The swing machine was developed by my wife and I more than 10 to 15 years ago. Trial and error, back testing, forward testing, putting our real money to work. And it's what we count on whatever time frame, intraday, daily, weekly, monthly, trading futures, trading ETFs, trading commodities, trading options. Doesn't matter. It does a beautiful job for us. It helps us manage our risk. For the first time, Stock Market Caddy is offering a jump start. We have a base membership of $99, and then we have a level 2 membership that ordinarily is $400, and everything is month to month. But expiring on this Saturday, December 15th, so you only got a couple of days left, we're offering what we call a jump start. You join at the base for $99, and then for the jump start, for a cost of just $900, we will give you a level 2 membership all the way to March 31st. It's over a $500 savings, both in the monthly cost but also in the time, because if you join, and you must join by December 15th, you get a couple of extra weeks of December, and we help you take control over this part of your life, and you get to decide whether or not this is something you really want and are prepared to do. Now, we do recommend that whatever your platform is, that you trade for the first month in simulation, because if you cannot make money in simulation, you will not make money real. And we're going to show you the charts to use. These are price charts, not time-based charts, but price charts to use in conjunction with watching the swing machine. If you would like to chat with me, you're welcome to call 813-758-8263. You can call anytime. I'm here tonight. Money never sleeps. I'll be here tomorrow morning. I will be here all day on Friday. You want to call me on Saturday, you can. But the offer, the Jumpstart offer, will come down from our website on December 15th at midnight. Now, it doesn't mean that you can't join. It just means that your monthly, if you were to join, it would be $400 a month. So if you were a member for January, February, and March, which we think it takes a good 3 months to, make a determination, rather than it costing you $900, it's going to cost you $1,200. So that's up to you. But we're trying to meet you halfway. We're trying to help you subsidize that first month to trade in simulation. There'll be lots of New Year's resolutions to do this or that. But the folks who jumpstart and get involved in our program now, by the time January 10th, January 15th rolls around, they're going to be rocking and rolling, trading real money. So the choice is up to you. We think the time is now. We're here. We're ready. We work extremely hard. And we show high definition videos. If you don't know anything about futures, we will teach you what you need to know. Again, you'll be trading in sim. And if you're fortunate enough to already be on the TradeStation platform, you don't have to have TradeStation, but we're going to expedite your learning curve on that platform. It's a superb platform. And we're going to provide you some proprietary indicators and strategies to run on the TradeStation platform if you have one. If you've been thinking about TradeStation, this still could be a wonderful opportunity and a glimpse or an insight to what it is and what it's all about. And maybe after the end of March, you might want to consider TradeStation. I mean, let's consider, you're looking at the NQ right now, and in less than 52 minutes, it's up close to $1,000. After hours, East Coast time. Maybe you just came home, finished dinner, turned on the platform, and some of our members have, and boom, bonus. They work hard. They know how the game is played. They're not looking for a news story. They'll attach a news story to this. I don't know what it is. I could care less. This provides our news. Money flow. So, again, it's your call. We're here. And can't say that we're going to repeat that offer. Oh, what happens at the end of March? At the end of March, we hope that you've made some real money and you've had fun and you've learned. If you choose to stay with us, which I can't remember the last time anybody ever left, but we will honor the monthly rate that you came in under, which is $300, not $400, $300 going forward. So you have a chance to, jumpstart, get a couple extra weeks, save $400, over $500, and when you go forward after March, get a $300 rate. That's the only way, otherwise it's going to be $400. So that's even more of a savings. feel free to give me a call. Feel free to check us out. I'm Bragg Don, Stock Market Caddy. Check out this market. 755, 460 on the 1 minute, 825 on the ES, 1000 right in front of your own eyes. Short, strong trend, trending down, altimeter in a deep dive. No reason to come out.